Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Robinhood account step by step. I'll be walking through this on the mobile app. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on your Android device from your home screen. Once that loads, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Robinhood. You'll see the Robinhood app appear in the search results. Tap the Get button on iOS or Install button on Android next to the Robinhood app listing. The download will start, and once it finishes, the app icon will appear on your home screen. Tap the Robinhood app icon to open it. The app will prompt you to submit an application. Tap to begin. The registration form will load. Enter your name, email address, and create a username and password for your account in the text fields. Once you fill those in, the Continue button will become active. Tap it to move forward. Next, you'll see a personal information form. Fill in your address, date of birth, and social security number. Once you complete this section, the form will advance to identity verification. For identity verification, you'll upload a photo of your driver's license, identity card, or passport using your phone's camera. The app will give you instructions for uploading the document securely. Once you submit it, you'll see a confirmation that your document was received. After that, you'll answer a short set of questions about your trading experience. This is just a brief survey. When you complete it, the app will move you to the account agreement. Review the account agreement, then tap the button to submit your application at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a confirmation message appear, and you'll receive an email in the coming days. It'll either confirm your approval or ask for more information if needed. Once your account is approved, you'll need to link either a bank account or a debit card that's registered in your name. The app will show you a list of financial institutions to choose from. After you link your account, you'll be all set. The application review typically takes 1 to 2 weeks, so check your email regularly in case Robinhood needs any additional documents. Once you're approved, you'll get an email with instructions on getting started. You can queue a deposit before approval if you want. Robinhood will hold it and process it once your account is officially active. Also, if you deposit at least $10, you'll receive a free stock valued between $5 and $200. And that's how to open a Robinhood account. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.